Hey, what's up you guys? Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tool do stuff inside of Roblox Studio. So yeah, first just go to workspace, click on the plus button, then click on tool, rename it to whatever you want. I'm just going to name it to test, I don't know, then add a part in it. So you can make this part any shape, any size. It's gonna make the shape is gonna be I'm gonna make it a ball. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be on handle. Also rename it handle, because if you name it anything else, then Roblox would not know that it's the handle, so it won't equip, it will just not appear, it will be transparent. Just gonna make this yellowish. And yeah, this is on tool, and put it up a bit. Now what you wanna do is put it in the starter pack. So it'll go to your backpack when you equip it. And then add a script inside of the tool, and then type in local part, and also you have to add a part in here, and I'm just going to keep this part. I'm going to make it big, like the biggest part in the world, basically. So yeah, the local part equals script dot parent, then tool dot activate, wait, it's supposed to be local tool, sorry guys, tool dot activated connect function, and then print, yay. Then you can make a new line saying local part, which is the name of this part. You can name anything you want. I'm just going to keep that part. Local part equals game dot workspace dot part, then part destroy, and then after that it'll just, yeah, that's all the script over here. Let's test if it works. So as you can see, we have the tool over here, then we have the new hand now, and then when we click, it will just print yay, or whatever you put in. And then when you click again, in the output said, part is not a valid member of the workspace, because we destroyed it. So yeah, that's basically how to script the part. So you can maybe just change the print to part has been destroyed. This part has been destroyed. So yeah. And you can also put some other events like tool.equipped connect function, then print tool. You can also put tool the unequipped connect function print by. And you can also put tool.deactivated connect function then print put a smiley face. I don't know what to put. Now let's test the game. So yeah, when we equip it, we just type in cool, and when we click it, the power will be destroyed, and then deactivate, and then unequipped is by sad face. So yeah guys, that's basically how to script a part. You can keep doing this and print it over and over again. So yeah guys, that's basically all I have in this video. And if you enjoy this, make sure to click like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!